Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? I hope everybody's doing great. I got some more info on this new Rlaarlo road car that they've been hinting at for a while now and giving us little peeks here and there. And it's also going to be going up for a pre-sale on March 15th. And it looks like they have several variations of it, which is kind of cool. They have kind of like a fully tricked out RTR with a larger ESC and carbon fiber and everything. That's like $300, and a step down version that's got like a metal chassis and I think a smaller motor and a smaller ESC that's like $199 or $290 or yeah, $199. And then there's also a roller coming in, I think at $129 with no electronics. And I think there's a couple more variations in there too somewhere. But it's going to have lots of upgrade parts. So like if you buy the metal chassis version, you know, you could later on upgrade to the carbon fiber chassis if you like. There's going to be different gear options. I think it comes with nylon, spur gear and pinion gear and stuff, but you can upgrade those to metal, things like that. And I think there's a couple different sizes of the brushless motor. I think one is like a 4,000 something kV and the other one is a 3,000 something kV. So basically you have a lot of different options. You can set it up to be more like a 2 and 3S vehicle, or also a if you get the largest ESC version, the tricked out version, you can go up to 4S on it, which is very cool. It also has some really cool features like lights built into the body, also a cooling fan that's built into the body. Lots of really cool stuff. I've never owned a road car, and I really don't have a place to run one, but I'm really interested in this. Because it's just so different from anything else on the market right now. It's really kind of unique. And I also like that it comes in a really nice storage case. And, those of us that bought the first, 1/14th Rlaarlo buggy knew that it was with the carbon fiber chassis and everything. We know how high quality that was and what a great little vehicle that was. So I have a lot of high hopes for this. I think this could be really something cool. So hope you appreciate the new info, and if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And please leave your thoughts below on what you think about this and how you think it'll be. Take care, everybody. Riff out.